turn your Bodycam off. Protocol is that you turn it off. If a citizen requests it to turn it off, she's a lawyer.
Let's just leave. Let's just make it easy,
We're
okay?
gonna make it easy.
No, that's not.
You guys just want him out? Do you want him trespass?
Anything we can do. Trespass, yeah. I just need
Trespass, get him out.
cuff him, please. It's the only way.
So you're trespass, so we gotta leave now. Unless you want to be in
We're not
handcuffs.
trespassing. You haven't notified us that we're trespassing.
So
Number one.
what did I
Number
just
two.
say to you? I don't want to arrest you guys.
You're not going to arrest us. Number two
So let's
is
leave.
that
We gotta go. We gotta go.
protocol
Let's
is
go. Let's
the
go.
Calm down for
citizen
1
protocol
second.
is
She's a f***ing lawyer, so she knows.
Well, that's lawyer stuff, so that's not true. So we gotta go.
No, it is. That's law.
I'm an
What's she
AG.
saying?
I'm an AG.
Good for you. I don't give a shit. Let's go.
All right.
You're just being detained. You're just being detained.
I'm an AG. I'm an AG. I'm an AG. But you're going to regret this.
Yeah.
You're going to regret it. I'm an AG.
You understand that a plea of no law is the same as guilty, same as I did it under our case law.
Yes, Your Honor. I want you to turn your Bodycam off. Protocol is that you turn it off. If a citizen requests it to turn it off, she's a lawyer.
So they want you guys to leave?
Yes, we're going to leave.
Let's just leave. Let's just make it
We're
easy,
gonna
okay?
leave. We're gonna make it easy.
No,
That's not.
Are you
That's
with
not.
him?
I am.
Okay.
I'm her
That's not
husband.
the point. Can you look at me?
Yeah,
right
we'll talk over here, okay?
Your protocol is.
Can we all talk? Can we all talk?
Talk over here. They want you to leave.
Your protocol is. I know.
Can we talk?
Who is she to you?
What's that?
No,
she to
nothing.
you?
Nothing.
She is our college friend.
Okay. She's a friend.
Yes.
No, I'm not.
You guys just want him out? Do you want him trespass?
Anything we can do. Trespass, yeah. I just need
Trespass, get him out.
cuff him, please. It's the only way.
Okay.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Do we want to chat?
I know that your
All right.
protocol is.
So you're trespass, so we gotta leave now. Unless you want to be in
We're not
handcuffs.
trespassing. You haven't notified us that we're trespassing.
So
Number one.
what did I
Number
just
two.
say to you? You're
You're
trespass.
number
Let's go.
one. Number one.
I don't
Number
want to
two.
arrest you guys.
You're not going to arrest us. Number two
So let's
is
leave.
that.
We gotta go. We gotta go.
Protocol
Let's go.
is.
Let's
the
go.
Calm down for
citizen
1
protocol
second.
is if we
Yeah.
ask you to
I
turn
don't
the
want.
body
I don't
cam
want to
off.
deal with this. Let's
Okay.
go.
No.
I understand you don't want to deal with it,
Okay,
but the
let's go.
protocol
Wait,
is,
wait,
and your
can
protocol
you
is if I
relax?
ask you to turn off the body cam, you have to turn it off, and that's your protocol.
She's a f***ing lawyer, so she knows.
Well, that's lawyer stuff, so that's not true. So we gotta go.
No, it is. That's law.
I'm an
What's she
AG.
saying?
I'm an AG.
Good for you. I don't give a shit. Let's go. We're going. Let's go.
Excuse.
We're leaving.
Please don't.
We're leaving.
Please don't put your hands on us.
Can you get your children out of here? Like, I don't know why.
I'm sorry. What?
Let's go.
No.
Let's go. Come on, they're two full-grown women and mothers of children. All right.
You're just being detained. You're just being detained.
I'm an AG. I'm an AG. I'm an AG. What do you? What are you?
What's wrong with you?
What
What's
are
wrong
you
with you?
probable cause to detain me for?
You're being detained because you're not leaving.
Because I'm what? You have.
Can you relax? Sir, she's not doing anything wrong. She's
AG.
not leaving.
I'm an AG.
Let's go. Buddy, you're not. She's not being
I'm an
arrested.
AG.
Let's go.
I'm not being arrested. You're putting me in cuffs. I'm not being
Okay, do
arrested.
you have any weapons on you?
No, I'm an AG.
Her badge is in the car. You want me to go get a badge?
Let me tell you something. You're
Buddy,
arresting.
get the hell out of here. Buddy, just seriously.
You're arresting an AG. Let me tell you something.
Are you under arrest right now? No.
You're putting me in handcuffs and you're Mirandizing. You're not Mirandizing me.
Relax.
Buddy, you're gonna regret this.
Yeah.
You're gonna regret it. I'm an AG. Take your hands off me.
We will get the
Take your
license.
hands off
Dave,
me.
we will get the
All right,
license.
she's getting detained.
No.
No. We will get the
Get out of
license.
here. Get out of here. Get back. Get back right now. Get back.
detained.
No, I freaking. No.
Get back. Yeah, cuffs.
Yep. I'm right here. It's okay.
All right, just go from the car.
Here. No, I'm right here. I'm right here.
Get back.
Come on, Dave.
No.
right here.
No,
I'm right here.
beep, please, I'm scared.
I'm right here.
Please stop doing this. Please stop
right
doing
here.
No, I'm not gonna find this. I'm after.
I'm right here.
No.
Okay.
No, please don't do this to my friend.
I'm right here.
No,
Right
no,
here.
no. Babe.
I'm right here.
Babe.
I'm right here.
No, babe.
Relax.
No,
Relax.
What's wrong with you?
Relax.
We don't want to put you in handcuffs. Let's go. Let's go.
No, babe.
Listen, you're overreacting.
You're adding
You're
charges.
overreacting.
No. Please take my hands out. Please take Devon out of handcuffs. No, please
You
take
were overreacting. You didn't have to have this happen. Get in the car.
No.
Get in the car.
No! Babe, no!
You got two to take.
I'm right here.
Get in the
No!
car.
Guys.
Just put her in.
No!
Get back. Get back, bro.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Get your feet in the car.
I'm right here.
No!
I'm right here.
Get your feet in the car.
Get your feet in the fucking car.
Dan!
Hey, I'm right here.
No! Dave! No!
Get your feet in the car.
Who the fuck are...
Get
Don't
your
touch
feet
me!
in the car. You're a grown adult. You're acting like a kid.
Dan!
Hey,
Dan!
right here. I'm right here.
No! Who the f*** are you? This is so
You're
inappropriate! You're overreacting!
Case 2155, 531. Ms. Hogan, is your date of birth 1/1991?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. And are you residing at 210 Shadow Road Drive? No.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, counsel, we have one charge of trespass. How does your client wish to plead?
Judge, I did submit a plea form, nolo contendere, with your permission, please.
All right, detective, swear the fact.
I do, Your Honor.
All right. So, just get all my documents. So, ma'am, you have submitted a request to enter a plea of nolo contendere, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that a plea of nolo is the same as guilty, same as I did it under our case law?
Yes, Your Honor.